Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed our channel already. Today we're gonna learn how to change iPhone ringtones. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, then you can see sound and effects. Go inside it. There you can see a lot of options like vibrating on sound, vibrating on silent, and many more. You can also increase the volume of ringtone. To change the ringtone, tap on ringtones and then you will be given a list of ringtones. Select any one from them. After you select the ringtones, it is done. So that is all for today's video. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Do like and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.